Okay, you're on. Don't hit my car. Go slow, man. Hey, hold your hand up. Where's the controls? I want to see the control. Yeah, see? Completely remote control. Truck! Hey, go this way. Works good, doesn't it? He's my guinea pig. Test driver. Battery's dying? Huh? Is the battery dying? Here, take it on the grass now. Grass? Yeah, go around the tree. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's got torque. Go around the tree. Are you out of power? Oh yeah? Is it out of power? Okay. Bring it here, I'll check the battery. I'll have to put a bigger battery on in case. Your tires are hitting the concrete. Uh-oh. Out of juice.
Oh my gosh.
Any juice left?
I think you'll be okay with 100 pounds. 100 pounds isn't too much.
Yeah, you're way over 200.
220, mister.
All right, cool.